Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. When it comes to selecting the right wheels for your Camaro, there are plenty of options available, and it can get pretty confusing looking through them all. You can go with wheels that are built for style, or some that are built for the racetrack. Either way, selecting the right ones to fit your needs is something that takes the longest time when trying to decide. What we're going to go over are some points between daily driven wheels and some race built wheels, to hopefully give you a better idea of which route to go for your build. First, we're going to go over some wheels that are more of a daily use kind of wheel. The designs from factory reproductions and MRR are some of the most popular wheels for you Camaro owners. What makes these wheels better for a daily use is the fact that these wheels are a cast wheel, with the exception of the MRR M017 that I have right here. That is a flow-formed wheel, which is a similar process to casting. The casting process used for these wheels makes them similar to a factory-style wheel construction. This means that the material used to make these wheels is poured into a mold and then cooled to a hardened state. Although cast wheels get the perception of being a weak wheel, these wheels can take some abuse. Now, I would not suggest mounting the largest slick tire possible and heading to your local track to test that statement. Most of these style wheels are meant for looks. That is why there are different finish options available. Wheels like this you can get in different sizes for different applications. There are 20x9, 20x10, and 20x11 sizes available with different offsets. So you can achieve the look you're going for by selecting the perfect wheel and tire combination. For example, the M228 wheels we have on this Camaro are a 20x10 and 20x11, running a 275/35 up front and a 305/35 in the rear. The setup accomplishes a flush look with our fender and shows off some meat on the backside of our car. Moving on to race-built wheels. This style of wheel is typically offered in a smaller size, allowing you to run a larger tire. Two of the top name brands we offer are Raystar and Weld wheels. Here I have for you the Raystar Drag 92 wheel. Now this wheel is offered in a 17-inch, so it would fit right on most Camaro models, even with the factory Brembo brakes. Now if we went with a smaller wheel, then it would require some additional brake and suspension modifications to ensure that we have proper clearances. Now, a drag style wheel, although technically can be driven on the street, it is meant for mainly track use. This is because most of the tire applications that go along with this style wheel do not have very many channels in them to channel the water out, which does prevent the slipping and sliding when going down the road. When it comes to functionality, these wheels can take a bit more abuse, although you still want to be careful when mounting and balancing, since you would want these wheels to look good for those burnout shots. There you have it, guys. Those are some of the differences between a daily style wheel and a drag style wheel. The daily wheels will have a bit more style and flash to them. The drag style wheels are going to be a bit more meant for the abuse, but can also have some flair when needed. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about these products, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.